Peter, Principal of Deck-Max. I just want to tell you a little story about our Merbau. Merbau is actually probably what I deem as maybe an undersold product, often sold on price point. Merbau is actually probably one of the premium timbers ideally suited for decking, but there's a few things that come into play to make Merbau best for you. Merbau is a straight grain timber. When you have a straight grain, I mean, as I described in the hardwoods, Aussie hardwoods are a bit gnarly and twisted in their own way, the way they grow. It's not a straight grain. Merbau, being a straight grain, is a more stable timber. So consequently, we can make it in the wider board. We do a 135mm. It is also pre-grooved for our clip and end matched for what we are principally involved in is end matched decking. End matched decking means you don't have to cut and join on a joist anymore. Remember the waste factor. We save 70%. It's 30% faster. The material is actually straight. We have a lot of what we call fall down. So we lose a lot of the material from a log. So we may only get 25-30% yield out of a log, but we give you perfect material. The material is straight. It is grooved. When you use the biscuit, I've done jobs where I've gone 25 meters and the boards, when you measure the overall left and right hand side, is varied 2 mil. That's how good it is. So Merbau 135, profiled for Deck-Max, is such a premium product. Yes, it's going to be dearer than what you'll pay for a 90mm board. Remember, we do the one-stop shop. We get it delivered to your door. We care about your design. More importantly, when you put it down, you're going to go, wow. No nails and screws. Please consider Merbau as a really, really top choice, especially if you refer to our decks close to ground. Merbau would be a more stable timber than an Aussie hardwood. So there's a few things for us to share with you. We can offer both products. You can then decide. Often it's colour, but sometimes colour needs to be put in a balance about what's going to perform better. So everything we do at Deck-Max is, will our product perform for what you want? Remember, our clips are warranted for lifetime. It's a very special offer. We back what we do. It's my company and I'm here to look after you. My team, call us anytime. We're on the website. Call us on our 1300 or just bounce us an email to info@deckmax.com.au. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for taking the time. Bye.